Welcome, in front of me is a POCO X3 and today I will show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And well, once it has, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And once you see the POCO logo, you can let go. And there we go, we're now in recovery mode. So in this mode you will use volume keys to navigate as such, and power key will be used to confirm. And it's a fairly limited recovery mode. As you can see, you can wipe data, which includes basically just a format of the device, and connect with Mi Assistant, which is required to a computer. So wherever you select, you confirm with power key, and because I want to leave, I'm gonna stick with the reboot. So press that, reboot to system, power key once more, and this will leave it. So I'm going back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.